Hey guys, welcome. Crap it. Stupid camera.
Working?
Yes. No, come on. Oh, it's working. Guys, sorry about the camera right now. I'm kind of charging my phone. Fine game. Oh my god. So guys, oh god. Oh god, I just kicked my mic. But guys, I'm everywhere. I'm kicking everything. Who don't? Sorry guys, you might hear me tap on the mic. I'm trying to see if this old mic works. Oh, I don't know what team I'm on. I can't tell if the blue is Russian. I don't know. And God, this mic is loud. Is this better? Oh, come on. Hello? 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 Okay, I'm on. No, I'm not. Well, yeah, I am. I don't know. This ain't lights flashing. I don't know if that's bad or good. Oh, I was thinking I was on the bad team. Oh gosh. Who just pushed me? Oh, we'll find out. Never. Oh my gosh. No, don't shoot there. Ha ha. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Ooh, it's running here. Where does this lead to? Oh, where does this lead to? It leads to death. That's where it leads to. Aw, no wonder he had the same gun as me. I want to kill him. Oh god. Everywhere leads to death. Oh my gosh. Too many Delta Force. You guys, did you know that Delta Force was actually stronger than SEALs? Yeah, I'm not lying. Delta Force is actually stronger than SEALs. There's actually an army out there that's stronger than SEALs, and I'm not lying. It's true. In order for you to get in, you have to be a 75th Ranger, which that's what I'm gonna be. I don't know why I like 75th Rangers. The only thing I did was just watch Black Hawk Down. Oh. Thank you, Emma, for the distraction. You guys didn't hear her. She said, "You're welcome." Oh, stupid barrels. Oh, God. Ugly face. That's what y'all get. The CM901 in the face. Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him. To make drugs. Hello? 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 Oh my god, the only thing I always do is I can turn this stupid mic up.
Oh, Joel, I'm really scared.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Well, guys, turns out my mic kicked out. I'm not gonna lie, my mic. Oh, Oh, what do you know? It didn't kick out. Well, I guess I have to. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, right there. Why am I kicked out again? Really? Really? Why do we have to be on the drug side? Oh my god. I can't move. And obviously he killed me. Oh gosh, it's 5 minutes in. Oh no, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to make more videos today. Well... Oh, no. So if any of you guys are trying to find PewDiePie or Markiplier or any of those guys... Oh my god, where the heck are they? Someone shot me in the face. Someone shot me in the face. Get the heck away from me. Ow. Ouch. That really does hurt. Well, guys, if you want to come on my Twitter, you can find them. Or you can just search up on your own Twitter and search up PewDiePie, Markiplier, or anybody of those guys. I don't care who you're searching up. I don't know why I even asked that question. There's gonna be so... I don't know. Oh! Oh god. I need a desk. I need to break something. Really bad. Oh, come on. Really? Oh god. Oh god. Oh really, dude? That guy's camping right there. Sentry gun in a freaking helicopter.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Okay, Emma, we don't need to know you're hungry. My god, my freaking mic. Hello?
It's my mic.
Okay, fine, it's your mic. Hold on, guys.
UAV online.
Sorry, guys. My, camera kicked out there. Not camera, it wasn't my camera. It was my freaking mic. Oh, my sister's mic. We are losing or not. You guys can't see. We're at 71. They're at 73. 2 more kills for them. They win. I didn't know we were that high. Because I can't see it. Or, yeah, it's about to end for us. Told you. I don't know if I should end the video here. I usually make a second video. Alright, a second video. Sorry guys, I'm not even nervous today. I usually make another game, but I don't know what I should do. You got the hot dog bun?
No, they're not hot dog buns.
Where are they?
They're bagels.
Oh. Don't eat all the bagels. I need my
There's
bagels!
only 2 left and I'm eating them.
Oh, crap you. I couldn't, ooh, this, obviously, it's gonna work in, like, 10, when the round is over, when I needed you. No, you're gonna be muted. I don't care what you say. You're too loud. You're too loud. Oh my god. This is loud. Hello? Hello? Okay, there we go. Hi, guys. You guys do not want to know what face I'm doing. It's a really derpy, nasty face. Which my sister's not gonna like.
What?
She's seen it. And guys, don't even don't even try to ask me for face cam or whatever you call it, because I do not have the equipment for that right now. I'm a beginner. I only have my phone right now. That's why it all looks really crappy. Ooh, I'm going to Paris. Yay, I'm going to Paris. I'm going to Paris. I'm going to Paris. I want to kill some... Oh, I'm not a Russian. Oh, I gotta kill some Delta Force. Ooh, sniper this time. This guy better not let me down. If you let me down on one shot, I'm gonna... Well, I can't kill a gun. Because the gun kills you. What am I supposed to do with a gun that does not kill a person? The 50 cal is supposed to be the hardest gun of all. I didn't have a word to say, but I have a bullet, guys. I have one bullet. You guys, if you guys want to see it, just ask me in the comments. Go, come on. Freaking, call it. Okay, hello? Okay, it works. Trying to rap like nobody. I don't know how to rap. He did not kill me. And he killed me. Oh, happy. Arcfire, don't kill me. I'm not trying to act like you. Oh, I do not know what these mean. Who did all them Russians were in freaking Paris? You guys should be in your own border. Trying to steal our border. How unfair. Oh, wait. I'm a Russian. Well, guys, I'm not really Russian. I'm a Russian right now. I can't run. You guys can see that sign. A freaking star with the hook. And say that the Russians used to help the Americans. No, really, guys. They actually... if you didn't see, my God. If you didn't see in Call of Duty World at War, and you thought World at War wasn't true, the Russians actually killed the Nazis because they're not, even though Nazis were Germans and stuff, you guys, actually, as Russian, the Russians really hated the Germans for taking over Russia until they fought back and the Americans fought against the Japanese, and we fought with the we fought against the Germans too, and the Russians and Germans, oh my gosh, I'm everywhere. The Russians and Americans actually were helping each other for the very first time. Until one freaking day. You better not come after me. Oh my God. Okay, guys.